meteorologist Kristen Van Dyke, and you've been watching this pretty closely for a while now.
Absolutely. You can see right behind us here, this is a live radar picture of Hurricane Matthew as it parallels the Florida coastline at this point. And so it's going to continue to head to the north and northwest, but at this point, it's still about 30 miles just off the coast from making landfall. And it may or may not make landfall, but the important thing to remember here is that hurricane force winds extend about 60 miles out from the center. So that's working its way well inland from where the center of the hurricane is at this point. So it's going to continue to head to the north. You can see some of the heavier bands wrapping around and heading into places like Daytona Beach and Orlando. But here's the latest information, and this just happened. So it has actually weakened a bit. It's still a major hurricane, but no longer a Category 4. It's a Category 3 hurricane now, 120-mile-an-hour winds. It's going to stay right around there as we continue through the rest of the night, tomorrow morning and afternoon, as it continues to skirt the coast of Florida, if not making landfall somewhere along the coast of Florida. But it's going to continue up the Carolina coast, the Georgia coast, slowly weakening, and then eventually moving on out of here where it actually could make another loop around and perhaps impact the Bahamas yet again. But at least at this point, it would be at a weaker state. I'll have more on this, of course, and more on the weather here and what you can expect this weekend coming up.
Kristen, thank you. And Hurricane